let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Yeah.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is BIOS or basic input output system. So let's begin without wasting any. What is BIOS? BIOS is actually a firmware in a motherboard that are pre-installed by the manufacturer, and that is a low-level software that can perform low-level tasks, though it is a very useful for our computer. Without BIOS we cannot boot up our computer. So basically BIOS is a set of command stored in a chip, and it can regulate all the hard drives connected to our motherboard, and also helps in booting and or installing a new operating system as well. So characteristic of BIOS, as you can see in the video, that blue screen in the background and all the characters, it is a CUI or character user interface. Only with the help of our keyboard we can operate it, and with it we can configure CMOS settings and also set boot drive priorities. I think I should inform you that if you don't know about BIOS, then should be avoiding making any changes in BIOS. It will cause you trouble. So work of BIOS: when we power on our computer, the BIOS initialize all the hard drives connected to it, and then initialize post or power on self test, as I mentioned before in our previous video. And in the term post, the BIOS will check all the peripheral hard drives connected to our motherboard, such as our graphics card, our mouse, keyboard, as well as many other hard drives. If any of the drives is not working properly, then it will show us a beep message or continuous beep message. Even it can display that message in our display. After the post process is done successfully, then it will start boot sequence. In order to perform boot sequence, the BIOS will go for a fast drive of a hard disk or a memory drive, and that can be a MBR if you have 2 terabyte of hard disk. If you have more than 2 terabyte hard disk, then it could be GPT. So MBR name is master boot record. Then master boot record is a fast drive of your hard drive, and it will evoke VVR. VVR is a fast sector of your logical partition, in which logical partition you have installed your operating previously. MBR will evoke VVR, and evoking VVR by MBR is called chain booting, as I mentioned before in my booting process video. If you have not seen that video, that you should go and check it out for better understanding. Then the VVR, after the chain booting, the VVR will load all the bootstrap file to the RAM. For Windows, there are 3 files necessary, and that is command.com, io.sys, and ms.sys. Now VVR will load all the files that are necessary to boot up a Windows operating system. It can vary for different operating system, such as your Android, Mac, or even for Linux. After when the operating system is loaded, then BIOS will go for a sleep mode. Now operating system can handle all the operations alone without help of BIOS. But in old computers, BIOS will help operating system in operating hard drive simultaneously in old computer. But today our operating system is capable enough to do that operations alone. So that are the basic works of BIOS. And UEFI, or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, introduced in July 2005 by Intel. So let's talk about the modern features in Uefi. First of all, Uefi is a GUI or graphical user interface. That means we can see a graphics like that as you can see in the picture, or even animations. That is quite new in Uefi in compared to old BIOS. And Uefi has the most important feature, cursor support, that is not available in old school BIOS. Old school BIOS is a character user interface or CUI, or Uefi has support of memory drive that are greater than 2 terabyte, and it can load up your computer more quickly. So that are the basic options available in Uefi, and many Uefi support overclocking your computer. So that is the video about our BIOS. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have liked our video, then hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any question, then write it on the comment box, and you can also check on my website for more information linked in the description below. And most of all, never stop learning. Goodbye.